We are discussing about synthetic ligaments. Myself, Dr. Sharath, and Dr. Rahul is with me.
Sir, what is this concept of synthetic graft
For ACL surgery.
for the ACL surgery?
We all know that ACL is a ligament in the knee. Here, this gives stability to the knee joint. This doesn't let person to feel that his knee is unstable or going to give way. We all know that for the ligament, absence of this ligament, we will do reconstruction by our own ligament taking from some other places, which we call it as graft. So we take either from hamstring, quadriceps, patellar tendon or peroneus. If we are not taking anything from person's own body and we are going to use an artificially manufactured ligament,
Yes.
that is called a synthetic graft.
So, what is the Jewel ACL made out of, sir?
It is like a woven material, polyester kind of material. Ligament grows in, it's like a tubular one. Like we are going to implant it in the place of the ligament. It's a artificial or synthetic ligament. When we implant it, when the relook arthroscopy is done, or after 6 months or 1 year, ligament grows inside that woven kind of or tubular kind of ligament, which is going to recreate the function of the ACL.
Who can go for this procedure, sir? Who can go for Jewel ACL?
Anyone can go for it, not that only sports person or non-sports person or sedentary person or heavy tall guy or tall muscular person or obese person, nothing like that. Studies have shown that anyone can safely undergo this kind of procedure. There are some advantages of this.
What are the advantages, sir, of Jewel ACL?
The advantages being, since we are not taking the graft from the human body, there will not be a morbidity from the area. There will not be a morbidity which would have been if there was a graft harvested from that area. That is called as graft site morbidity. Means there will not be any pain or the problems associated with the graft site. Some pain, little pain. Usually there will not be any, but still even that is not there. Second thing is, if we are using multiple ligament, for example, someone has ACL, PCL, MCL or multi-ligament surgeries we are doing, such situations we will have shortage of grafts for taking from the human body, means that person we will be taking from multiple different places. Such situations we can use this, and recovery will be faster because of lesser pain, and surgical the surgery per se will be short duration because of not taking the graft from some other place.
Yes, sir. But how is it comparable to a natural ACL and Jewel ACL, sir? What are the studies saying?
Previously, the synthetic grafts have not a good reports from like 20 years before, 25 years before. There were a lot of failures with the synthetic ligaments, but last 2 years or 3 years, so many studies have come. They are in favor of synthetic ligaments. Long-term studies are awaited to exactly say really it is working for 20 years, not short term. However, for the short term, studies are really good. People are able to go to the sports. They have been able to recover very well, fast, and quickly, comparable to the biological and non-biological. This is a biology. This is a synthetic, which biology is going to grow in that ligament. That is the concept of it.
So, if you wanted to summarize regarding Jewel ACL, what you would say?
I would say this is a recent one. Recent advances in orthopedics, and patients are accepting it. People are accepting we are going to use synthetic. They are accepting it. Third thing, the morbidity, that much pain related to graft harvest is less, recovery is faster, we can safely use it. Whenever there is requirement of multiple grafts, this is the very good for that.
I think it was a good video, sir. I think everyone got a good idea.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.